So the title of the video is correct. You can make $1,000 a month renting out your garage space, because I am currently making $500 a month renting out half of my garage space. In the future, I might be thinking of renting out my other half to combined income of $1,000 a month. This is a recent transaction that just happened. It's a little bit over 500 because I do charge $530 a month because Neighbor does take about 4.9% per month plus another fee. So in my case, half of my garage space comes over a little bit over $500. You know what? Let me actually show you my garage space. So this is half of my garage space right here. This is my tenant right here. This is paying me $500 a month, just to rent out half of this garage space. It's a clean, nice, well-lit garage space. This is so awesome that, in fact, I'm trying to convince my girlfriend that maybe we should just park our vehicle outside, use this space as another $500 because I've had people contact me and bringing in another $500 for a combined income of $500 plus $500,000 for this garage space. Okay, so there are plenty of ways to actually do this. Now, the tried and true method that I use is using Neighbor. There'll be 2 links in the description section of the video below. The first link will be for hosting. Like me, I'm a host. And the second link will be if you're renting. If you need some extra space, just throw your car, your boxes, whatever. That is the second link. Quite literally, the steps are simple, and it's the same thing I told my friend. Step 1 is to create an account with Neighbor. The link, like I said, will be in the description below. Make sure you click on the host link if you want to be a host, like me. Step 2, clean your garage space. Now, in my case, I didn't have anything in my garage, but yes, bust out the broom, sweep the floor, and, paint the walls if you need to. Make it look nice, make it look presentable. So step 2, clean your garage space that you want to rent. Step 3, take good pictures of your garage space. Make sure they're bright, make sure they're not dingy and dark. Make sure they're crispy. These are some pictures that I took of my friend. There's a big difference between before and after. But yeah, take good pictures and that will increase how much you get paid per month. Step 4, now that you have a clean garage, you have all your pictures, create your listing on Neighbor. Neighbor will take you step by step to creating your listing. And then the fun part is the price. Now, Neighbor does give you a suggestion depending on the area you live about what you should price your garage space. However, in my situation, I'm a business guy. I just did my own research. And what I did was I posted mine at $1,000 a month for half of my garage space. And every single week, I lowered it $100, $100, $100, $100 until somebody bid at $500. And this is the second client that is renting out half of my garage space for $500 a month. In fact, I think I might be raising the price a little bit because my neighbor who has a Lamborghini, he has multiple cars and he normally parks his Lamborghini at this place that charges him about $1,500 a month to park his Lamborghini. However, I just told him, hey, you're more than welcome to park your Lamborghini in my garage through Neighbor at $900. So might actually do that at $900. You never know. And step 5 is literally the best part, is watch the money come into your bank account by doing absolutely nothing. There are times that I've sat down and I'm just like, wait, what is it? Oh, that's right. I have a vehicle in my garage that's just generating income and I literally don't have to do anything. But that's pretty much it. I'm not going to try to draw out this video that long because it's that simple and you can make that much money per month renting out your garage space, or half of your garage space in my case. It's literally these 5 steps and you're on your way to renting out your garage space and getting that extra income. Now, last but not least, I'll talk about one downside that I can see for everyone. Now, I live in downtown Dallas where people generally pay a lot higher compared to where my friend lives. He lives in the suburbs of Dallas. So while I get $500 for half of my garage space, he actually gets for the entire garage space $250 a month. Now, obviously, that is just the beginning because he's trying to get reviews in and stuff, and then slowly he'll start increasing his rate. However, that has helped him on his monthly payments on his vehicle. Depending on the area that you live, you'll be making lower or higher. If you're in New York and you have your garage space, guess how much you would be making. Last but not least, I just want to leave with this app is actually growing pretty rapidly. It's kind of like Airbnb back in the day when everyone was making a ton of money renting out their Airbnb space. So you don't want to wait too long because it's such a simple deal that once the market gets saturated, then you might have waited too long. But like I said, the 2 links are going to be in the description section. One is to be a host and one is to actually be a renter. I think you get like 50% off or something like that using the links in the description. Let me know if you have any comments, concerns, or questions. I want to help you out on this. This is really awesome. But that's pretty much it for this video. Catch you in the next video. KLEANTRIX here saying thanks for watching and peace.